When I first came to Monell, we had a very small group of very young, eager scientists, and one or two more senior ones. And one of the interesting things about this group of young scientists was we had people from, I count at least 5 different countries out of these 7 or 8. The Czech Republic, Japan, Germany, Switzerland, and maybe 1 or 2 others. So from the very beginning, we were an international group. And from that international group, we continued to recruit people from all over the world. And this is kind of typical of science, but it was a surprise to me, to be honest. And what would happen with many of them, now certainly not all of them, but many of them were here to stay. I didn't know it when they came, and maybe they didn't even know it when they came, but they were here to stay. And we created a whole cadre of these people, some of whom became our senior faculty, and 1 or 2 of them are still here even. And these people were a real strength. They became Americans. They got families, they had kids. I felt at one point when I was director and we had a holiday party, and I looked at all these kids running around, and I said, oh my God, I'm responsible for this. But the evolution really was of using this very beginning of international work, and we then got support for our work from Europe, lots of support from Japan, and so we became a really international place. To me, one of the strengths of what makes America great, and it is great, is because of our welcoming these people and having these people come and essentially become Americans. One of the things that's happening is that this is changing, and this is disastrous for our country. It's hopefully a blip, and it will change. But all I can say is that whatever is making it harder for us to attract people to come to places like this, to make the kinds of scientific progress that we do here, which is certainly major for us, it's really cutting off our nose to spite our face. Evolution is we're becoming much more sophisticated scientifically, just like everybody else. And that is remarkable progress being made in our field and many fields.